Welcome to the cell block Cypher. They're gonna teach you about biology, specifically the animals.
Yeah, flatworm glide, no coelom inside. Nematode round, but it got no divide. Nemerty wave from side to side. And the worm-like creatures from me and my guys. They all look the same, easy to confuse. Long skinny body, no feet for shoes. But don't let the looks trip you up. They got differences like the coelom and gut. But first, let's name what they share. Bilateral symmetry, two hemispheres. Triploblastic, 3 germ layers. This is also where cephalization appears. Triplo, not diploblastic layers. Come in 3. Ecto, meso, and endo. Structurally, no bones, just tissue and muscular frame. But once you check the inside, they not the same. Cephalization occurs on all of them, but one thing they don't have in common is brain. Flatworms got ganglia, primitive brain, no cranium. Nematodes got a nerve ring. Pokemons, they move everything. Back to the basics, body cavity matrix. The endoderm makes organs, mesoderm frames it, then shapes it. Flatworms got no coelom, solid to the core. Just tissue and nothing more. Ribbit worm, same thing, no cavity inside. Nematode got a pseudo-coelom, said it was true, but he lied. The body cavity gotta be completely in the mesoderm to be true. Now let's discuss how the worm-like creatures digest their food. Incomplete digestion, the food goes in and out, but only from one opening, is both anus and mouth. Complete digestion means it goes from point A to point B. The earthworm is complete because it has 2 openings. Complete digestion is the same thing when it comes to the nemerty. Incomplete digesting, flatworms 1 opening. Earthworms have some segments, divided in equal parts. Every segment is a light, you can't even tell them apart. That's it for the worm-like creatures, it's time for me to go. I'll be back, don't worry when I'm talking about the toad.
It's a frog.
When I'm talking about a human phylum, I mean chordata. Chordata, the spine runs through. Dorsal nerve core, that's how we move. Posternal tail, it trails in the back. Pharyngeal slits, that's a known fact. Notochord first, before the bone. In fishes stays, it stands alone. In others like frogs, it fades away. But it starts to build, that's the chorda way. Four main traits, you're gonna know. If it's a chordae, they all show. Maybe not all at the adult stage, but at some point they're on the page. Vertebrae rise with spinal base, skull and brain and vertebrae face. Real segmentation in the back, muscle lined up, no trait they lack. Lensless small, but they stay true. They keep all traits their whole life through. No skull, no spine, but still lean. Simple form, but a good read. Tunicates chill in the ocean breeze. Blob-like body, filter with ease. There's also big ones, vertebrae gang. Shark, frogs, birds, doing their thing. Humans too, that's the truth. Chordae blood, since in the womb. That means we're part of the crew. Chordae fam, me and you. You are a chordae like.
Flipping on his back, start with the shark. Grabbing my scissors, I'm making my mark. Draw the cloaca, cutting it clean. Through the pet girdle, know what I mean. Open it up, getting the skin down. Internal view, the lesson starts now. The first thing I see is the liver up front. 3 big lobes to let them flow, yeah. No swim better, but it still float. The white thing you see is the esophagus, bro. Hook-shaped stomach, break down meals. Chemical mix, that digestive deal. Small intestine, spiral out twist. Let's slow this down so nothing is missed. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, heart pumps blood so steady. Spleen keeps the blood cells ready. Gills pulling oxygen quickly. Large intestine gives the shark a deep clean.
We flipped the squid, ventral side up, and took a slice, open it up. Roasted side clean, pen tucked tight. 3 hearts pumping, we moving at night. Tentacles long, got 2 for the grab. 8 arms strong, prepare to the lab. Suckers on deck, got rings like bling. Locking it down, no escape from the king. Pushing the water, move fast like zoom. Stuffing got power, we out of the room. From metaphors flash, colors change quick. Mixing up hues, camouflage drip. Another key feature, pin out the spine. But he's sustaining, I promise he's fine. Meant to hold it all, that's a body case. Visceral mass deep, keeping on organs in a place. Cut it open, ace like dart. Defense mode, vanish like art. Peep the gills, calm to Nidia. Feathery flex, the breathing criteria. 2 wrinkle hearts, 1 cyst in the center. Pumping O2 like a go-getter. Yeah. Eyes on the side, like hands on the ride. Seeing all shades while they hunt and glide. Float in the sea, move like I'm blind. But it's not true, you know how I vibes. I got 5 arms with no defended head. No brain for moving, but water instead. Mad rapper right where the sea comes in. Stone canal drop down, then begin. Ring canal sitting in the center disc. Radio canal slide out like wrist. Ambulate squeeze, 2 feet stretch. Just on the floor, grip like nets.
Yeah. Skin rough texture, spine on back. Tiny dermal gills through the gas track. Stomach in the middle, mouth face down. Pushes out food, breaks it all down. Turn it inside out, that's how they feed. Digesting clams, with their stomach freed.
Whiskers twitching, tail is long. Organs tight but muscles strong. Dissect the rat, the system's clear. Just break it down, get in gear. Heart and chest, 4 chambers beat. Lungs on side, breathing in heat. Liver larges, it's real slow.
3 lobes deep.
Detox flow. Whiskers twitching, tail is long. Organs tight but muscles strong. Cutting clean, layer by layer. Science lab.
No time for prayer. Stomach, bowls, food, road, small intestines, nutrients, sold. Seek 'em, big, ferments, right. Colon, moves, waste out of sight. We get into the frog, so don't fall behind. Naming every organ in its function and design. The liver has 3 lobes, it's large and flat. It filters blood and stores some fat. The gallbladder small and color green. It stores the bile and keeps it clean. The stomach holds the food in tight. It breaks it down so it digests right. The small intestine takes what's good. It sends it down like the nutrients should. Large intestine handles waste and slows it down to a slower pace. The cloaca lets it all release. I mean it all like urine and feces. The heart has 3 parts, so it beat and sink. It moves the blood fast like water in a sink. Slow down the pace so you can listen to me. 2 atria sit up at the top. 1 ventricle pumps and it doesn't stop. The lungs are small but they help with breath. They bring in air and they fight off death. Frogs store energy and fat bodies bright. Yellow wares near the kidneys tucked tight. Used for hibernation and breeding too. Fuel for the cold and when eggs are due. Thank you for listening. This song was written and performed by Joaquin, Caden, Joshua, and Armin. Thank you for listening.